IMF and World Bank's semi-annual gathering began on Monday. It comes as trade tensions escalate between China and the U.S. over export controls and tariffs. Nick Harper explains what to expect from the meetings in Washington, D.C.
And look ahead to the coming months to try and predict what might be coming down the road. I think the suggestion that we are going to hear again and again out of multiple meetings from the IMF and the World Bank is that really the global economy is not yet out of the woods, and that uncertainty very much persists and will persist for some time to come. We've already heard from Kristalina Georgieva, the IMF chief. She has given an opening speech really laying the table for what can be expected over the coming days. And she said uncertainty is the new normal. She said there is exceptionally high uncertainty. Globally, she said it has shot up and continues to climb. And she also had a warning for global leaders and policymakers. She said, buckle up, uncertainty is here to stay. I think if there is a silver lining in all of this, she did go on to point out that really the global economy is more resilient than policymakers thought when they last met back in April here in Washington, D.C. At that point, there was real concern that the new Trump administration would cause chaos on the global stage with the new trade policies and tariffs coming into effect. That hasn't really borne out in the way that the IMF was worried, and a lot of that is to do with front loading. We have seen importers around the world and here in the US really trying to get goods from other countries into the United States ahead of those tariffs coming into effect, and that's helped to buoy global economies. But of course, the fear is that while tariffs remain, in the coming months and maybe even the coming years, there could be a significant economic global downturn.